Good.
Okay, actually, I didn't sink that far. And this is kind of comfortable. I thought I was going to hit the ground.
Let's try to step in it.
Hey. Got a little lounge chair. Okay, now my ass is cold. Totally not working.